guys, as you can see to the title, I'm going to unbox this FITBIT Charge 3. And I got this one yesterday, which is actually a gift from my dad. It was actually originally given to my mom, but I guess my mom's phone is not, it's not updated, and it won't connect to her phone because she's got like an old Android phone. And so he gave it to me, and yeah, like you can tell, she's already like gone through this, or she already opened it. Oh, well, that's the box right there. It says FITBIT Charge 3. It says Advanced Fitness Tracker, and yeah, and that's that there. It says automatically tracks activity, exercise and sleep, 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, light, deep, and REM, female health tracking, water resistant to 50 meters. It has apps for weather and more, workout goals and real-time stats, real-time pace and distance with phone GPS, interchangeable bands, and battery life up to 7 days. And so yeah, so join me as I unbox this. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Anne. I'm not sure if I said it already, but my name is Anne, and this is my channel. It's a lovely life. It's gonna be different right now because I'm not really showing my face. I'm behind the camera, but I figure I just do it this way. And yeah, and if you haven't done it yet, please click the subscribe button right there, and then also give this a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want me to post some more unboxing videos. My husband actually has a Fitbit, but like an older version, and I remember it was just like a plain like black, and I think like the strap is thinner. I'm not sure, but it syncs with your phone type of thing. And then the settings, brightness, vibrations, notifications during sleep, and whatsoever. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wear it in just a second. But anyways, I was just going through up here, and I guess you can still see if somebody texts you, but you can't reply to it, I think. I still have to play with this, but anyways, I'm gonna try and download the app right now. Anyways, this is it. It's on my wrist right now. Yeah, it feels really nice and light. And I love the gray and the rose gold together. And also it's really light. That's what yeah, it's kind of light. So, and so if you can see that it's already, wait, so it's already like checking my heart rate there, and also like the water as well, which is nice because it reminds me. But anyways, it's really nice. I'd give this a 7 to 10, but with the style I'm gonna give it a 10. This is not sponsored, by the way. Like I said, this is a gift, so just a disclaimer. But yeah, it's nice, and I I'll update you guys how I really truly like it. If as soon as I use it more, I'll update you guys maybe through my vlogs. So yeah, bye.